Hello teachers! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, may isi-share akong bagong company, ESL company for you, especially to those who are looking for a flexible online ESL job. Especially dun sa mga may full-time job outside and gusto lang naman ng extra income. So I think this really is for you. So let's go and find out what this company is. Okay, now here is the company I've been talking about. So ito po ay ang Lingora. So before, Lingora is known as Tutoring KR. Yes, that's right. If you're familiar with that, Tutoring KR, yung old name niya, and then they named it to Lingora this time. Okay. So, ano nga ba si Lingora as an ESL company? Lingora po ay isang Korean company. It's an audio-only ESL platform. Yes, you heard it right. Kung ayaw mo na magturo with video classes, hassle when it comes to preparing yourself kasi nga video class, right? So, audio-only platform si Lingora, which means no cameras included, no need to open your webcam during class, just your voice. Yes, voice lang talaga natin ang puhunan dito mga teach. Alright? So this company primarily caters to Korean adult students. Yes. So many of your students here would be adults, professionals. Alright? Meron din namang kids, teenagers. Alright? But it's very rare. So most of your students, especially if baguhan ka, mostly adults talaga. Okay, so be ready with that one. So again, you have to conduct audio-based classes. Okay, now for this one, they actually have two types of classes. So pag-uusapan natin yan later on. Okay, now since audio class lang, 'di ba? So hindi mo makikita yung face ni student, how they're doing, what they're doing, etc. So you have to be very attentive when it comes to listening to them kasi minsan may maingay sa background on their part. So you really have to listen attentively. Ano nga yung sinabi niya? You always have to note down everything that they mentioned. Okay, so ganun dapat. And dito sa Lingora, you don't have the opportunity to prepare for the class. Diba mostly nasanay tayo when it comes to video classes. Most companies, we really do have the time to check the material, review it beforehand, review the lesson, prepare for it. How am I gonna teach this one? So meron tayong time for that. But here in Lingora, no. Alright? Wala tayong preparation. Okay? Pag tumawag si student kung ano yung lesson na gusto na yun, ikaw na ang bahala kung paano mo ituturo ang topic card or the lesson na pinili ni student. Okay? But don't worry, kasi on the lesson itself, meron namang teacher's guide sa baba. So you can check that. But, of course, mabilis ang basa lang, you know? But, at first, medyo kinabahan nga ako kasi sabi ko, naku, paano pag mahirap? Paano pag hindi ko pala alam paano i-handle yung class? So, yun na rin yung naisip ko at first. Alright? Yun din yun. But, when I started having my classes na, parang hindi naman pala ganun kahirap. Oo, hindi naman pala ganun. Parang, pagtawag ni student, may lesson, parang as a teacher, you just go with the flow, go over every pages, you know, the usual as what a teacher does. So, yan. So, I'm sure kayang-kaya nyo rin yan, teachers. Okay, so as mentioned here, structured lessons or spontaneous conversations. You control your teaching style. So, kayo na ang bahala. Okay, but of course, Alingora, there are also certain things that we have to follow, like starting the class with ano ba yun? Self-intro, ending with feedback, mga ganun, and meron din silang lesson memo at the end of every class. So, those kind of things. Sa Lingora, merong two types of classes. Yes. Okay. So, we have the appointment classes and the standby classes. So, ano ba to? Okay, ibaba ko muna si camera. Dito tayo. Okay. Si appointment classes, ito yung pre-booked or scheduled class ni student. Okay? So, it means, ito yung mga nakaschedule. So, bukas may scheduled class ka for 6 p.m., 6 to 9 p.m. Okay? So, nakaschedule siya, nakabooked. Okay? Ito yung tinatawag nilang appointment classes. Now, dito marami si Lingora sa standby classes. Okay. If you have tried Native Camp, sa Native Camp kasi ganito rin, standby classes rin. Mostly. Okay? So, in Lingora, si standby classes, it means you will just be open and available. So, may i-click ka lang sa platform where it would mean that you are available to take calls, available ka to have a class with a student. Okay? So if you're available, makikita ka ng student, and any student, anyone could call you. Okay? Now for standby classes, maghihintay ka lang na tawagan ka ni student. Okay? So, this is 24/7. Kahit anong oras na gusto mo mag-standby, as long as that's your available time, go lang. Okay? So, my student yan. Now, again, hindi po tayo agad-agad magkaka-appointment class, especially baguhan. So, what we're gonna do first, standby tayo every day hanggang sa manotice tayo ng students. Okay. Okay. Now let's talk about the pay and incentives. So they have $3 per hour for new hires, sa mga baguhan dyan, and it would increase up to $6 per hour. Okay, now take note, itong $6 na to, makukuha nyo to in a certain condition. So, of course, may condition para makuha. Gaya ng ibang companies, di ba? Hindi naman basta-basta na lang mag-i-increase yung salary natin. So, may condition rin yan. Next, they also have incentives for appointment classes. Okay. Pag may nag-book sa'yo, may nag-appointment na sa'yo, okay, may additional incentive sila dyan. Di ko na alam magkano. Next naman, they also give out incentives for a successful level test. So, for example, may tumawag sa'yo, and yung tumawag na yun is for a level test. So, it means bagong student, first time using Lingora. No? So, gusto lang itry. And then that student enrolled. Diba? So, may incentive ka for that one. Okay. Now, of course, 150, $3, so it's about 150 something. Right? Malaki na yan. Especially since audio lang siya. Take note ha, this is only audio. Okay? Next. Okay. Of course, no taxes. Very nice, because we don't want that. No taxes. Pay out twice a month, every 10th and 25th of the month. Okay. Now, again, let's talk about the cancellation. Cancel at least 2 hours before class to avoid any penalty. So teachers, take note, itong cancel at least 2 hours, this is just for me. Okay. Ang nakalagay kasi doon, it was, you can cancel a class, dapat, an, mm, an hour before. Okay, so kaya ginawa ko na lang ditong at least 2 hours. Tama ba yun? Yeah, ginawa ko na lang ditong at least 2 hours. If at least 2 hours, we are sure enough na wala talaga tayong penalty na matatanggap. Alright? When I got hired, meron kaming new hire incentive, which is $25. Okay. Now, that was during my time. Hindi ko alam if it still applies until now. Okay. And take note, this $25, makukuha namin to, again, with a specific certain condition. Okay, madali lang naman ang condition. So, hindi naman mahirap, kaya makukuha talaga to. So, next. What are the requirements, teachers? Of course, they prefer if you have an ESL experience at least a year. At least a year. Pero if you are a newbie, maybe you can still try to apply. Diba? Wala namang masama if you would try sending an application. Second, you need to be a college graduate of any course. Yes. College graduate dapat tayo, guys. Degree holder. Next one, they preferred if you have TOEFL, PRC license, etc., other teaching certificates. Okay, so if you got this three, the higher chances of winning, guys. Okay, of course, laptop or PC, which has at least which is at least an i3 or 6th gen processor. Okay. Guys, pag bibili kayo ng laptop, marami na ngayon actually very affordable na laptop, and then mataas na yung specs. So, piliin nyo yung okay naman ng specs. Alright? So, I would recommend i5 laptops. i3, mababa na kasi to eh. Most companies kasi, they require i5 na. Okay, so go for i5. And then, i5, 8 GB RAM. Okay, so yun. And then, of course, network plan of over 10 Mbps. So, ang baba nito 10 Mbps. So, make sure malakas ang connection. And isa pa, other than that, they're very strict with your technical requirement. It's because, kasi nga, audio lang sila. 'Di ba? So, next. I'm sorry. Ito yung sinasabi ko, minimum of 8 GB RAM. USB headset. This one, of course, since audio lang sila, they need you to have that one. Okay, headset. It should be wired. Okay, wired connection. Additionally, wired internet connection, which means dapat naka-LAN kayo. LAN connection. Yun bang from your internet directly to your laptop or PC. Kasi if you don't have that, wala. Babagsak kayo sa tech check. Okay. Now, teach, what if sabihin ko na lang, oo, may LAN kami, machi-check ba nila? Yes po, machi-check po nila. Doon tayo sa requirements, doon tayo sa process. How will they know? How will they know? Okay. Now, this is the hiring process.